Which paint?
Stop! What are you doing?
Looking for paint.
Do you know which paint to choose?
This one.
Yes, but do you know why that one?
Because it's cheaper.
Yes, but why is it cheaper?
Was it made in China?
No, but it's not only cheaper, it's good for the environment.
There are many reasons why latex paint is better than oil-based paint. For one, the price. The reason it is cheaper is due to the fact that it uses water as its base, compared to petroleum, which is found in oil-based paints. It also covers more area per gallon and uses minimal coats. And unlike other paints, it can be recycled. The water in the latex paint makes it much easier to clean up drips and mistakes. All you need is more water and wipes it off instantly and perfectly. All paints contain VOCs, which stands for volatile organic compound. That basically means a noxious carbon-based material that releases vapors into the environment. Because VOCs are so bad for the Environmental Protection Agency creates rules in order to reduce VOCs in the air. If you read a paint can and it is labeled 0 VOC or no VOC, then you expect to contain no VOCs, right? Wrong! 0 and no VOCs actually contain up to approximately 5 grams per liter. Though paints labeled no VOCs do contain VOCs, it actually is amazing compared to other paints out there. Latex paint is considered flat paint due to its water content. Flat paints are able to enclose up to 50 grams per liter of VOCs, which though not perfect for the environment, is exceedingly better than non-flat paints that contain from 50 to 100 grams per liter of VOCs. An example of non-flat paint would be oil-based paint. Not only are the fumes bad for the environment, but so is the way that people discard their leftover paint. A quote from Statistics Canada reads, "Improper disposal of special waste items can impose environmental, health, and safety risks." It later continues to say, "A large number of households may not know how to access the proper waste facilities spread over Canada, given that many dispose of these wastes through the normal waste stream or through the sanitary sewage systems. This causes many health problems." Latex paints usually include a chemical called ethylene glycol, which may be considered harmful to pregnant women. If you are pregnant, it is best not to use paint that contains ethylene glycol or biocides. Non-flat paints can also contain leads and mercury, which is also important to stay away from when pregnant, for it could cause birth defects in the child. Exposure of ethylene glycol through inhalation or digestion may cause some side effects that include depression, heart and lung malfunction, and breathing irritation. Ethylene glycol, otherwise known as C2H6O2, found serious repercussions when tested on rodents over long periods of time. The repercussions included kidney and liver toxicity and malfunction. Though there are multiple serious effects that latex paints and its ingredients have on the body, oil-based has side effects too. Lead is no longer allowed in paints, but traces of lead can still be found in some oil and acrylic-based paints. Lead has a greater effect on children because they absorb the lead with greater ease, and it can stay in humans' systems for approximately 30 years. Some effects of lead and lead poisoning are vomiting, diarrhea, convulsions, comas, or death. Some people don't know that latex paints don't actually contain latex, so if you, your kids, or your friends have any latex allergies, they will be unaffected by the use of the paint. And if that doesn't sell you on latex paint, then make sure to read the labels for ingredients in all paints. It is required for all paints to list the harmful substances within the can, so you know what you're getting. You'll be glad to know that latex paints are biocide-free. This means that harmful disinfectants and preservatives are not added. So next time you're looking for a quality paint, make sure that you choose water-based latex paint in order to save money, the environment, and health.